Right up there is where the water tower is. Here we are, mile 13.2. There's a bridge down there, and that's what I'm going to see. Mile 13.1 of Englewood, coming up to Kinman Creek. I can hear the creek. I'm also getting rained on, so I'm walking with an umbrella, my tripod with my reel camera, plus my little mini camera that I'm doing this video on. I'm hoping to see 4 bridges today. So this one here is going to be Kinman. Second one might be another branch of Kinman. After that, I want to see Story Creek. No relation to Ken. And after that, I want to see Nimpkish Creek. It's all dependent on what the roads are like, the logging roads that is. And this one here I think is the furthest walk I have to do, which is just really around the corner. But you never quite know what it's going to look like. This reminds me a little bit of Southern Vancouver Island railways. Hey-oh! Now at mile 13.0. Gives you an idea of how high up we are looking down the slope below. And we'll see what this bridge is like. Where there is a stack of big timbers, there usually is a bridge. And I see it. Hey-oh! And I guess it wouldn't really be the Englewood Railway if it wasn't pouring down rain, regardless of whether there are trains or not. There's a steel tie right there amidst the flowers. Almost every third or fourth tie is steel here. And here's Kinman Bridge. So what I'll do is I'll walk across it first, and then maybe by then the rain will have stopped, and then I can do some stills. We're on the nice abutment here. Gives us an idea what it's like. I can see some towers. You know, we're going to call this a trestle, because support towers that are trestle towers, it doesn't matter. This whole bridge project has been interesting with trying to figure out the terminology of trestle versus bridge. And the Kinman Creek Bridge here has a walkway. There's the creek ravine. That's looking south. And back north. I'll call it a bridge then. On my way back, I'm going to take the ties, the traditional route of watching your step. I'm more used to it. And here's the north end. We'll see if there's a view off the side abutment. Sometimes there is, but it's the height of the growing season, and the height of the growing season tells me no view. Kinman Bridge. Pointing down because it's raining. Trying to avoid that wet lens thing. That would be Kinman Creek. This would be the bridge. And we're going to find a spot to look in. Here's a good spot. So that's the railway line going to Kinman Creek Bridge. The bridge was just that. And now I'm going to cross the creek on the logging road. Now when I cross, let's look up and see if we can see the rail bridge. Just a quick glimpse. Now the question is whether there's a second railway bridge. Google Maps suggests that there is a second railway bridge. It's the fun of exploration when you don't have a list of what you're looking for, but you've seen what might be something. Here comes another bridge on the logging road, which probably indicates that there's a bridge on the railway up above to our right. I can see something. And here's a level crossing. And I can walk back and see what I can find. Okay, so this is just south of mile 12.6. And there's a little bridge down here. I suspect it's not too exciting, but you never know. And here we are, mile 12.7. We have a little bridge. Aha! Dam Creek Bridge. Nice and simple. Let's take a look underneath. The ginormous Dam Creek Bridge. Somehow I'll get my way across it. Yeah, there's a lot of vegetation down there. Not a heck of a lot to see. That's okay, now I know what it is. The Dam Creek Bridge. Got a girder, a deck plate girder, I guess that's what we call it, with a concrete deck on it. So I finished with Kinman Creek and Dam Creek. And now I'm off to find Story Creek, which should just be a little ways north on the logging road.